Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. As you can tell by the title, today's video, I'm so excited for it, is an autumn candle haul. I want to say I've picked these up over the last few weeks, but realistically it's been the last few days. I have been to quite a few shops over the last couple of days and picked up a load of autumn candles that I love and that I can just, like, my room now smells amazing and everything has already got the lid on. So I'm super excited to share with you guys the candles that I have picked up that I'm loving at the minute for autumn and Halloween. Before I get into the video, there's a couple of things that I want to mention. First thing is we're currently having some work done in the garden, so if you can hear big machines, noise, people talking, really sorry, but it's out of my control, and I need to film this video today, so you can hear that, then I'm really sorry. And the other thing I wanted to mention is, if you happen to see, around this time last year I did a video all about the best Bath and Body Works dupes that I have personally found. I've had a couple of Bath and Body Works candles in the past that I have bought from America that I loved, couldn't seem to get my hands on them again easily, and obviously like for the price and stuff, so I found some that were from B&M. I have a couple to mention in this video that are ones that I've repurchased, but I did a whole video last year like basically talking about the whole range. I think there was maybe like one or two that I couldn't get my hands on just because they had sold out at my local B&M store. But if you would like to see that video of the whole range that B&M bring out that are Bath and Body Works dupes, like, you can tell they're inspired by Bath and Body Works. If you want to see that video, then I'll leave it down below in the description box, so go and check that out. But I'm going to mention a couple of candles from there, just not all of them. I'm not gonna lie, there's loads to get through, so I'm just gonna crack on. Most of these are from TK Maxx, or like you can get them in Home Sense or Primark and B&M. They're like the three main places that I have got them from. So I'm going to just really quickly get on with this video because there's actually like loads to mention. So first one is from Primark. This is the Smoked Amber and Moss. It says sweet soft jasmine blooms with a hint of spiced ginger lily, smoked amber and fresh moss. What is moss? Fresh moss. It burns up to 60 hours. First of all, the packaging was a thing that got me, not gonna lie. I really like the packaging of this. I love that it has like a cork on top. This was £4. It smells a little bit like wishy-washy, not gonna lie, but you can still smell like that bit of like autumn within it, if that makes any sense. But I literally really bought it for the packaging because I think it looks so nice and just brings that like earthier kind of like look and vibe into a room. So yeah, I picked that up. That's the first one. I'm literally surrounded by candles. The next ones I'm going to talk about are from B&M, which are the Bath & Body Works dupes. As I mentioned, I haven't gone back and picked them all up. I've just picked up the ones that I really liked. So I'm gonna mention this one first, which is Autumn. I have actually already burnt this for about 5 seconds to take a picture. You know how Instagram life is nowadays. So I picked this one up, which is called Autumn. If you're going to try any of them, then try Autumn. To me, this is like a dupe for the Bath & Body Works Leaves one. It smells like wet leaves is what it smells like to me. It smells like the air that you get around autumn. I love the packaging. So it has like the foil, silver foil, and then on the top it has like a leaf print, which Bath & Body Works candles have. As you can see, I have burnt it. It's a 2-wick candle. These burn up to 25 hours approximately, which I think is pretty accurate, seeing as I had them last year. Yep, wet leaves, a bit syrupy. I really like it. It's definitely like one to have during autumn. These, when I bought them, were £3.99, and that's like their standard price, but at the minute as I'm filming this video, they're £3 currently in B&M. So I will leave a link down below if I can find them online. I really struggled to find them online, but I could find them in the store. There's loads of them, and to be honest, I might actually go back and buy another one because I really like this scent. So that's the first one I got, and of course the house phone has to ring. Anyway, so that's the first one I got. The other one that I picked up is this one, which is called Mahogany Apples, and again it has the silver leaf on top, and I love this one because it's green. This to me smells like juicy apples, like, you know, when you bite into an apple you get all the juice come out. it smells like that. It's actually making my mouth water because it's that like nice. I really, really like it. I love that it's a nice colour because it just adds a bit of colour into like a room, and my room, as you can see, is like mainly white, so it's nice to have like a bit of colour here and there. So yeah, I love that one. Again, same price. And the other same price that I got, the other one that I got, which is spiced pomegranate cider, which has slightly different packaging. It has like the dimple, like dented lid, dented metal, we should call it, which I like. Again, if you watch my Bath & Body Works video, you'll be able to see like they're exactly the same as Bath & Body Works lids. And this smells very much like a red curranty kind of spicy, almost like how a kitchen would smell if you bake something with like cinnamon on, if that makes sense. You know, it's not cinnamon. I really like that one, and again, I love the colour of it. I think it's a really nice colour to add to a room. The next ones I'm going to talk about are from TK Maxx, or the other ones. Yeah, they're all from TK Maxx. You can probably get them in TK Maxx, is it TJ Maxx in America? Is that right? And Home Sense. Home Sense will have like a bigger range. So I'll start off with this one, which is a different brand. Yeah, that's right. Just checking it's right. So this one was $7.99, and this is red currant and tobacco. It is by the company called Makers of Good Wax, I believe. That's their little logo. Oh, you can see yourself, hey. That's the logo there on the lid. I love the lid, like I love that. The smell of this is insane. It smells to me like old-fashioned sweets, like almost like, is it like cherry drops or something like that? Is that a sweet? I don't know, but it smells exactly like sweets. It is a 2-wick candle, which I do prefer, not gonna lie. And the colour of the, I need to take all these off, but the colour of the packaging I just think is absolutely stunning. I love that colour at the minute, like the ox blood kind of colour, like I live for that. So if you go into TK Maxx or Home Sense, definitely give this a smell, because I think it's actually a really underrated candle. Like, it smells amazing, and you can't really smell like the tobacco, because that put me off. I read the name and I was like, yeah, no. But it's more of like sweety, kind of like red currant scent. The next lot that's coming in now are all from DW Home. I have bought loads of their candles in the past and absolutely loved them. I can smell this one here and I've still got the lid on. So this is a very similar packaging to the previous one, but this is by DW Home. This is their toasted smoky salted pumpkin. It says sea salted pumpkin, praline, black molasses and brown sugar spices over rum infused vanilla cream. This is very strong, very in your face, caramelized, like salted, that kind of vibe. This again was $7.99, but I love the packaging of it. Like, to me, I don't know why, but I get this feeling of like the film It, or the film, what are the, not the film, the series, what series is it? Oh, it's in my head and I can't think of it. What's the series that I get in my head? Stranger Things. I was thinking, it's got Millie Bobby Brown in it. Stranger Things. I really love it. Love the smell of it. It is quite an overpowering kind of scent that might give you a bit of a headache, but I really like it because of how sweet it is. The next one I'm going to talk about are again DW Home ones. So there's two here that are the same size, so I think I'll just mention them at the same time just to save time, you know what I'm saying. These are both $5.99. I love these colours, this and like a green. Love them. So I have got pumpkin and also black currant pumpkin. I hate where they put the stickers. Like, why put a sticker there? It just ruins the whole thing. Put the sticker at the back. Anyway, I love these. Love the lid of it. Don't know if it says, it doesn't really say on any of the other ones how long the burn time is. It just advises you to like burn it like 3 to 4 hours. That's maximum. But yeah, this one is pumpkins. This is very sweet. I can smell it now. It's very sweet and just like pure pumpkin. There's nothing else in it, which I'm not gonna lie, is very sweet and not something I would normally go for. However, I had to get it. I just couldn't leave it on the shelf. I was like, it's a pumpkin candle, I have to get it. But I do really like it. And then the other one that I mentioned is pumpkin, black currant pumpkin. I love the packaging of this, and again, this is like a sweetie kind of smell. Love it. It has a purple candle, which I love, and it is definitely like a more grounded pumpkin, if that makes sense. And I love that it's blackcurrant. It smells amazing. It smells like sweets, which I love. Then I picked up two of the smaller ones, which are £2.99, and I picked up spiced pumpkin and apple honey butter. This one is more going on to like the Christmas kind of scent, but it still fits in with autumn, if that makes sense. And spiced pumpkin smells insane. I really wished there was like this size in this one, and I have been back to try and find some more, because this is my favourite one, but couldn't find anything that popular. They've just like gone off the shelf, which is a bit annoying, but hey ho, what can you do? So these were £2.99. This one, it's just a spiced pumpkin. I don't know what else to say. It smells a bit like the Starbucks spiced pumpkin latte. That's exactly what it smells like. And then this one is definitely more like down the apple-y route, a little bit sweeter, a bit more juicier. Again, same price, £2.99, but it smells amazing. So if you go into Home Sense, TK Maxx, definitely give them a smell because they smell insane. Then I got two more from DW Home. The first one, again going down the more like Christmassy route, is the beach and apple scented candle. I love the packaging of this. I think it's so cute with all the little trees on, and like the wooden bit on top. This definitely going down the more Christmas route of things, but again, I couldn't leave it. It smells very similar to the apple honey one. It's definitely more of like a syrupy apple juice kind of smell. And then I picked up a big one of that, which is not of that one, sorry, of like the same similar packaging, and it is the maple leaf and vanilla scented candle. It's got little leaves all over it, which I think is so cute as packaging. And the lid, they had loads of different lids on, so I don't know if like someone swapped the lids, but it was meant to have, I think, this lid on, but this one didn't, and I preferred this lid, so I got that. This again was £7.99. Definite autumn candle, definitely more like a syrupy one, like the maple leaf. Smells actually very similar to autumn from B&M. Smells very similar to it, but I loved the packaging of it, and it's a 2-wick candle, so again, couldn't leave it behind. The last one that I picked up is from TK Maxx as well, and this one, not gonna lie, I got it because of how it looks rather than the smell. The smell is quite overpowering, but it's like a nice smell for like your house. It would be a bit too much in a room, but like my house is like, it's not open plan, I don't want to say that, but it's like you can see a bit of the downstairs, a bit like a gallery landing kind of thing. So it's this, which we have already lit, is downstairs, and it just makes the whole house smell. It's actually nice rather than just being like in a small room. So this is, I don't even know like what smell this is, but it's huge, and it was £12.99. I've taken all the labels off. It's a 3-wick candle, and it looks like a pumpkin. That is the reason why I was like, oh, this is amazing. They also had another one which was smaller than this, like a lot smaller than this, and it was black and like blown glass kind of look, which I assume maybe this is, I don't know, but it had a really nice look to it, and it was a lot smaller. I didn't smell it though, so I might go back and have a look at that one, but this was £12.99. It's huge, but I got it because it's a pumpkin, and I also think this would be really nice, like after you've burnt it, you can just keep the bowl. It is glass, and it's really, it's honestly so heavy, it's unreal. So yeah, I got this one mainly for the look of it. The scent is nice, quite a smoky scent like towards the end of it, like when you finish smelling it, it's quite smoky, but I just love the packaging of it. I am a sucker for packaging. And that is it. That is all the candles I've picked up for autumn currently. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Before you leave, to see more videos from me, I will link everything that I can down below in the description box to check it out for my previous video as well on candles. I hope you liked it. I will see you all very soon for another video.